Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also as usual we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can delete your comments on Instagram app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, let's start with our video. So first of all, you will just go to your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in with the correct ID that where you would like to delete your comments on, and then you will simply tap on this profile icon below right corner, tap on it, and here you will see all the posts that you have done so far. You will randomly click any of the posts where you would like to delete your comments from, and then you will simply tap on this view all comments, and here are the comments. Then you will simply long press on the particular comment that you would like to delete. After that you will see this multiple icons pop up. Then you will simply tap on this delete icon on your top right corner, tap on it, and as you can see, comment deleted. Yeah, so once you're done with that, that's how your comment will be deleted from your particular post, by just going through your post and finding the particular comment that you would like to delete. You can simply delete your comments from any of the posts that you would like to. So this is it for today's video. I hope this video has given you the answers of your questions, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.